Understanding why it's important to upload natively is extremely important to growing your business with the videos that you create from your smartphone. So for example, there's tons of social media websites out there. You have Facebook, Instagram, Facebook owns Instagram. Then you have LinkedIn, you have YouTube, you have Vimeo. So what does uploading natively mean and why is it important? For example, let's take Facebook and Instagram since they're kind of one and the same, but let's take Facebook. When you post a video to Facebook natively, that means a consumer or a user on the other end is watching that video native to Facebook. That means that that user is staying on the Facebook website. What is social media? We all know social media is a major business. All social media platforms are either a major business already or are heading that direction. They get money from ads. They get money from users staying on their platforms. So again, let's take this Facebook example. Let's take it one step further. When you post a video on Facebook, again, that user stays on Facebook to watch the video. If you go to make a post on your business page or on your personal page of a video that you uploaded to YouTube, meaning you take that YouTube link and put it in your post and then post it so other people can use it, people that see that post are gonna have to click your link and then that's gonna take them off of that social media platform. Facebook does not want that. So the Facebook algorithm will completely squander your posting, how many people your post is gonna reach. It's gonna completely push it to the bottom. It's not gonna prioritize your post. Now with all that said, I want to give you a quick SEO pro tip. Again, SEO means search engine optimization. So when you do upload your video file, you want to make sure, if you're uploading it from your computer, you want to make sure that the video file is named correctly. So you want to give it a title and you want to put your business name into it so that when you upload that file, that data that's going into the social media website has all of that information already embedded in the file. So to wrap that up, the more data that you can incorporate into your upload, your video file into the social media sites, the more likelihood that your video is going to be viewed by more users. Now I wanted to wrap up this entire video. Uploading natively is extremely important to getting the most views out of each social media platform. So if you're using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, make sure you take your video file and upload it to each one of those sites individually and adding the titles and descriptions, all of it to each individual social media site.